Hello Earthlings, so today is the second shell video, as I promised, the brother to the first, so shall we get into it? Yeah, so this one, I wanted it to look different to the last one because I didn't want to make one that looked exactly the same as the other one. So obviously I did some stripes because that just can't be tamed at this point. But I actually found that at the end I preferred this one way more to the shell I made last time. But leave me a comment, let me know which one you prefer, because I guess it's all opinions. But my opinion is this one's better. So I did it with a bit of a blue vibe this time, and my whole theme that I wanted to do from the very start. I actually had a plan this time, which is unheard of. So the plan was galaxy, and I wanted it to be just blue and black. So that is what I did. And I actually think I might have a newfound passion for just painting shells. It's so calming and meditative that I actually could just stock up on shells and just paint them till the day I die, really. So that's nice. Although knowing myself, I probably would get bored quite quick, but until I can go to the beach at least, I'll paint shells maybe. A new endeavour while I'm trapped in my own house within the confines of these four walls. There's always shells. In other news, these fins at the bottom of the shell kind of make me really angry because they're just not symmetrical and they kind of ruin the vibe and mess with me a little bit, but it's okay because shells weren't created to make me happy, and that's okay. So I'm just gonna have to work through it one tiny step at a time. Bit back and forth really, just saying how shells were my life and then how they make me angry. It's a real love-hate relationship, but I really like the gold that I used on this shell, so let's spin it on its head. Go for the positive, shall we? Go for gold. And this here is my favourite part of the shell, the little galaxy moment, which honestly I had to improvise because it had been a long time since I painted a galaxy and I couldn't remember quite how to do it, but I'm really pleased and I think it looks alright. Feel free to disagree with me, but I like it and my mind will not be changed. And that's final, so it's rare I feel a strong positive towards anything I make, so don't get used to it. I did try and splatter these stars on, but the paint was too runny and it was too chaotic for my liking, so then I had to just painstakingly dot each star onto the shell, which was alright. It was more controlled and it worked out, so no complaints there. And here are some swirling chaotic shots of the finished shell. I hope you enjoyed the video, and there will be more next week. I think I'll be doing the second table. Leave a comment, let me know that you're not an AI robot, because I'm still not convinced that half the people that are subscribed are real, because there's like 2,000 and something, which is wild. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Sorry about